Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can close your AdSense account completely. Let's get started. Now I am in main window for AdSense account. Just click account. Here we have account information, settings, expand it and account information. Here we have option close account. Thing is to know before closing your account. When closing your account, you need to have earned the minimum payment threshold to receive your final payment. Your reports data. You can export your reports before closing your account. You won't have access to reports from your account where your account is closed. Read it carefully, then select this one and close my account. Thanks for using attendance for YouTube. You have successfully closed your account. That's all. Have a nice time.